Freehold move-in condition, 4-bedroom, 4,700 square feet, a lift that access all floors, unblocked greenery views, and just 2 minutes walk to the MRT. Stay tuned. Welcome back to another episode of Walkthrough with the Janys.
When we first saw this house, it left such an impression on us that it kept lingering on our minds. You will see why in a minute, but let's first answer the question, why is this house such a rare asset? As of end of 2024, landed homes in Singapore represented just 4.7% of the total dwelling units in Singapore, where we have a high ownership of more than 90%. Now, if you take a house which is freehold tenure, which is unblocked in front, unblocked at the back, 100% move-in condition, and you have high volume ceilings, a lift inside, and it's just 2 minutes walk to the MRT, this is very rare. Now let's do the math. Take the price, divide it by the built-up area, and you get a figure which is less than 50% of the newly launched condos in the OCR.
The owners of this home was attracted to this lovely location because it is situated in a peaceful, low-density enclave here that is very close to Kent Hill Park as well as to Pasir Panjang MRT station. Now this is further enhanced because right in front of the house you are facing an unobstructed greenery view of a school field, and this school was attended by none other than one of the former Prime Ministers, Mr. Goh Chok Tong himself.
What's unusual about this house is that it actually backs onto a road. Now this is a Category 5 road, it's Jambol Walk, and this offers you maximum privacy. Not only you don't have a neighbour at the backyard, but you could also build a high boundary wall which gives you that peace and separation, not to mention unblocked views from this side, and you can park an additional car here if you need to.
This home is southeast facing outwards and you have a width of 20 feet as well as a length of 81 feet. Now this house here has 4,700 square feet of built-in space. It has 4 bedrooms, all comes en suite, and it's sitting on a land area of 1,633 square feet. Now this is your garage area here. It is sheltered so you can park your cars here without the heat, and this is your entrance to the home. What you see here is 1.5 years of meticulous work from the owners to carefully curate everything you see in this home, all the way from these Italian tiles to the way the house is designed to give this monochromatic setting, and this is coupled with this biophilic balance where they have added plants here to soften the monochromatic feel of the home. Now this is the living and dining space. The first thing that caught my attention when I came in is this high volume ceiling and the way that this living seamlessly integrates into the dining area of the home, and it has a bomb shelter that is neatly tucked away behind as part of the design of the house. Now as we step further into the house, after the living and dining area, you are greeted with the dry kitchen. The dry kitchen is equipped with white countertops that are of premium quality that can withstand stains, and this has inspired the owner to bake more regularly. Just after the dry kitchen, you have the entrance to the helper's room as well as her own ensuite bathroom, and behind these sliding doors here we have the heavy-duty wet kitchen that is well ventilated as well as well lit because it has glass covers up top. The architect has cleverly added a glass platform lift over on this side of the house, and this actually leads to all floors of the house. This is also almost invisible from the entrance. And now let's take this lift up to see the 4th story of this house where you have the entertainment and the family room.
Talk about wow factor. Now this architect cleverly added this family cum entertainment room, which is perfect for hosting guests or just as a chill out zone. You have a nice addition here because you've got this terrace which overlooks that green field, so it's totally unblocked. You have 3.9 meter high ceiling, and this room creates perfect memories, whether you're entertaining guests for that barbecue or just using it for chilling, reading or watching TV. You may be wondering where the washing area is, and the architect cleverly put everything on top because you have the most breeze here, and it is so neatly tucked away that you don't even see it. Another reason why this family chose this house is the practicality of its layout. So it's a dumbbell design. You have 2 rooms on opposing sides, both offering unobstructed views. And I love what the architect did here, because this platform lift not only is a practical thing when you travel, but it's also great for the skylight effect that you have in this family area. Now, this is the other bedroom. As you can see, you've got this beautiful greenery view. So you're looking out on the street, which gives this house a kind of European vibe. And walking over to the other side, we have the junior master suite. So this room is also a very spacious room. As you can see, you can have a TV here, a bed here. The bathroom is at the back, still plenty of room to spare. This is a beautiful view of that greenery. What the architect did here, very cleverly, tucked away a study area here, so you're overlooking this greenery while you're doing your work. And that greenery also gives you that natural airflow because the house is unobstructed at both ends, so you can feel the draft here.
In summary, this is 4,700 square feet. It has 4 ensuite bedrooms. It sits on 1,633 square feet of land. It comes with a lift that accesses all the floors. It has unblocked greenery views. It is close to Pasir Panjang MRT as well as to Kent Hill Park.
If you're in the market to buy a landed property, this house is definitely a must-see. I'm Richard.
I'm Sharon.
We are the Janys, and we'll see you on the next one.
Hi, I'm Sharon.
I'm Richard. We are the Janys. We are a duo of professional realtors right here in Singapore, and we love to feature homes on YouTube for that 24/7 exposure, which is proven to increase the speed of the sale while not invading your privacy.
So give either one of us a call and we'll help you on your property journey. We'll see you soon.